Guys, in this video today, I'm going to show you how you can create a completely hands-free passive income, literally doing nothing. All right, well, you're doing a little something, but it's nothing that you have to do either with your hands or your mind, basically. Okay, so if it sounds good to you, something about how to make passive income doing absolutely nothing, then you want to stick around. We're getting ready to get started on this video here right now. So let's go ahead and just get right on into it real quick, guys. We're going to come over here to this site right here, guys. You see it right here. It's called Honeygain. You see that right there? Look up here in the address bar, guys. It's honeygain.com. You see it right there, honeygain.com. This site, what it is it's passive income effortlessly. And what this is you're just going to simply download an application to your Windows computer or in fact, if we click on download right here, you can see you can download Honeygain for Windows or, well, actually 5 different devices, guys. Your Android phone, your Windows computer, your Mac computer, your iPhone, or even Linux. They got it for Linux too as well. This site, what it is people are sharing their bandwidth. In other words, so if you have a large bandwidth with your internet service, you'll be sharing your internet bandwidth and getting paid on a monthly basis for sharing that internet bandwidth. So let's come down here and we can see how this works out. By the way, guys, look here. This site, Honeygain, and these applications and this whole way to make passive income is got a 4.5 star rating on Trustpilot out of almost 8,000 reviews, guys. People are liking this application and making some pretty good extra money. Now, is it going to make you a lot of money, like hundreds or thousands of dollars per month? Probably not. But it's a good way to make some extra spending money on the month, which I'll show you here in a moment. I mean, and the nice thing about it is after all, this is completely free money. It's not costing you anything. It's not even costing you your internet service, okay? Because they're going to pay you for that. That's what you're being paid for, to share your internet service, okay? So let's come down here and learn a little bit more about this. It says here it's an easy way to earn passive income. You start earning with Honeygain and use the money to pay for a streaming platform subscription, unlock exclusive content on free-to-play video games, or simply treat yourself with a little online shopping spree. And it says, earn without compromising security. Honeygain ensures that your internet traffic is only used by trusted partners and the app never asks for or gains access to the storage of your device. So it's very secure. It says, know exactly what your internet is used for. Once you start using Honeygain, your devices act like view towers and help world-famous businesses access the World Wide Web without having to worry about location-based restrictions or censorship. And then it says you can estimate your earnings here, guys. Now what they recommend here, now let me tell you here at the outset too, if you have if your internet service provider that you're signed up with, how you get your internet service, if you have a capped service, this is not going to be good for you. All right, you want to have unlimited bandwidth on your internet service at your home. And so in other words, what do I mean by capped internet? For those of you that don't know, capped internet is like, for example, let's say if you're paying your internet service provider a certain amount of money per month for 50 gigabytes of bandwidth per month, and it's a certain amount of money. But if you go over that, let's say you go over the 50 gigs allotted per month on your service, then they may charge you like $10 per extra gigabyte of bandwidth that you may use to finish out that month. And then every month at the first of the month, it resets itself back to zero again, and you're good for the next 50. But if you go over 50, you're going to have to pay extra for that. So if you have a capped, that's called a capped internet service. If you have a capped internet service, this is not going to be good for you. If you have unlimited internet service, then this is okay for you. This will work. The thing is right here is they're telling you here, if we can slide this bar up back and forth right here, guys, drag this up. So if you'll notice, it's saying like right here to make $19 a month sharing just 2 gigabytes, you need 1 IP is recommended. But if you're like, for example, going to come up here to 5 gigabytes that you want to share of your internet per month, and make $46, you need 2 IPs. So what does that mean? That means you need 2 devices connected. All right. So for example, if I come back here, but if I come up here and click to download, and we see here, for example, you download it for your Windows operating system, for example, and your Android phone. So that will be 2 IP addresses, and that means local IP addresses or 2 devices being able to use the internet, and then you just leave those devices run all the time in the background, constantly making you money for other businesses that are using your internet bandwidth. See how that works? So the more devices that you have, for example, so if we come back and we come down here to, and if we go all the way up, you can make up to, for 20 gigabytes of bandwidth per month, you see you can make about $181 per month, but they recommend 10 IP addresses, right, to do that. So do you have a lot of computers and cell phones and things like that laying around? Every computer that you have laying around that's not being used, you might as well sign it up for this right here and download the app on it and run it of the different local IPs. Each device has a different IP address by 1 octet, right? So then the more devices that you have connected with the app installed on it, that's more money that you'll be able to make, because you're going to constantly leave that app running in the background all the time. Alrighty? So that's how you can do that. Now this content delivery is other things down here. You can make a couple extra dollars with that per month. As you see, as I slide that bar, it goes up a little bit. It's about $4 extra for content delivery. I'm not going to talk about that. It tells you what it is right here, guys. You can look into it right there. So you can actually, make a reasonable amount of money extra per month. Now you may seem, well, gee whiz, for 2 devices, $46 a month doesn't seem like much, does it? Well, but you got to keep in mind and keep remembering that you're not even have to keep an eye on nothing. You don't even have to lift a finger. You don't even have to do nothing but let the app run in the background, and it will make you that money for nothing. Basically, just using your internet service, your extra bandwidth that you may not even be using anyway. That's a really good thing, actually. Now, so if we come over here, and it talks a little bit about the About Us right here. And it talks a little bit about it and so on, about their story. And it's been around. This place has been around since 2018, guys. So it's been around, about 4 years now. Talk a little bit more down here, and it talks about here some quick numbers. 250,000 plus users surveyed on the Honey Game performance, and 30% monthly user base growth rate. And it's covered in 150 plus countries. So guys, if you're interested in, if you can do this all over the world, well, I would say most of everywhere in the world you can. All you need to do is download it and try. So how do you sign up? Now you can sign up when you download the program. So you want to come over here, click on download, guys, and you choose your operating system, when you want Android, Windows, Mac, or whatever, and then click on download. It'll download it to your computer, and then once it gets downloaded, it'll install it onto your computer. And you can see right here, I don't know if you can see this or not here, I'll zoom in on it right there. That's the icon right there called Honey Game right there after it's been installed on my computer here. So for example, to fire this up, to show you a little bit further into this, so if I click this right here, and it goes ahead and it loads it up right down here. Now this is kind of behind me, but it does come up here. Let me drag myself out of the way here a little bit, guys, and you can see what's going on here. And then down here at the bottom right, it says it's active, says Honey Game is now running in the background. And I can just close that out. And then it loads this up right here, and it asks me if I want to enable the content delivery. It says they guarantee additional credits for that if you have content delivery enabled. So just go ahead and enable it, and then we can sign in. Now you can sign in and create a local account, and it says right here, if you don't have an account, sign up. So when you install the app on your device, then you will sign up. You can do a local account here and a Facebook or a Google account here, and yes, they will send you an email confirmation that you need to get that verified with. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and just sign in with my Google account here, guys. All right, guys, so I've got it loaded up in my browser here. I'm going to go ahead and just sign in to Honey Game here. All right, guys, and then once you get logged in, it looks like this. This is sort of your back office right here. And you can see your overview. You got statistics that show up right here, and you got transaction history and referrals. They even got a referral program, guys, like a affiliate program here. Now, what I want to show you here is you can see that I've already made about 2 cents right here, guys, just since I fired this up right here. Okay, what you want to do is you want to make sure that because they're going to pay you through PayPal. All right, so you're going to want to make sure that you have your PayPal account set up, or if you don't have a PayPal account, you want to go over to PayPal and make sure that you sign up for a free PayPal account and bring that over and set that up under your profile settings and stuff right here. Let's just check. If we come back here, I'll show you that it's PayPal here. And yeah, 5 steps to use Honey Games here. Set it up, run it, let it gather, help businesses, and then get paid. And look, guys, right here it is. Receive payments. Yeah, my mouse ain't working right here. Receive payouts in PayPal, Bitcoin, or JMPT. I'm not real sure what that is, guys. But yeah, you want to make sure that you have a PayPal account set up and put that and use that for when you get paid off of here, so there's no disruption. Use the same email address that you sign up with. If you sign up with a local account, just use that. Make sure you give them that information. But you can come back here and you can work with it and see all the different things that's going on. Earn today 2 cents already, guys. Well, it says 3 down here. It's gathering information, and then so on and so forth. Guys, that is how you do that. That is what I wanted to show you today. It's a way to make some extra money, basically doing nothing. It's not a lot, as you saw, but I mean, the more devices that you have connected, well, the more that you can make, and just let the application run in the background all the time, and you just go on about using the internet the way you normally do. Or even when you're not using the internet, it's still making you money because you don't have to do a thing. It's free money, guys. May not be a lot, but it's free extra spending money per month for you like that. Guys, I wanted to share this with you. It's a really great way just to get some extra spending money there. And if you like that, reach down there and crush that thumbs up button for me too. Also, if you're new to my videos and you have not yet subscribed to the channel, well, don't forget to reach down there below and click that subscribe button and click that little notification bell there right beside it so that you get notified when I upload new videos such as this one right here. And yep, go ahead and come on over and get yourself done. And it's all 100% free, guys. And get signed up and let your internet bandwidth make you money all the time in the background while you're doing whatever you want to do. Alrighty, guys, if you like that, don't forget to like it. Also, if you got any comments, leave them down below in the comment section, and I'll get back with you on that as soon as I can. Learn high-ticket affiliate marketing. Just reach down there below in the top of my video, in the description, top of the description there, and click where it says mentorwithkev.com, and come on over and watch my free video presentation that'll show you how you can learn to become a high-ticket affiliate marketer, making thousands per day possibility. Alrighty, well, guys, I'm going to let you go with that, and I'll see you again here in a couple of days or so on the next exciting money-making video. You guys take care. Have a great day. Bye-bye now.